Hello, today's tip is going to be how to install a drive shaft on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Specifically one that has a V8 4.7 liter engine and quadra-trac. This is what it's going to look like. This is going to be my replacement part, just picked up at a local junkyard. See how it works out. The thing that's different than most drive shafts is it actually has two CV joints, or Rezeppa, whatever. Something with a lot of Z's and an R in it, but not your standard U-joints, not your standard cardan joints. Anyway, that's what this one came into. The nice thing about it is it looks like, to install this, all you're going to need is one wrench, 8mm, maybe a hammer if it gets nasty. Okay, so this is the drive shaft. Going from here back into the transfer case. To remove it, there are 6 bolts, all 8mm, front and back. Just have to take those out in a circular pattern, remove it. Each one of the bolts has these dual braces. Okay, this is the wrap up. This is part where I tell you how easy it was. It's day 2. It took 5 hours. It should have been like 20 minutes. The previous owner, I suppose, stripped a bolt in the drive shaft. It was difficult to get to. Ended up... Anyhow, here's the drive shaft. That's the old one. The new one's in it. This is what's left of the bolt that was stripped on the drive shaft. Ended up using a grinding wheel to just rip it out. Slapping a new one. So, anyway, it should have been really easy. The drive shaft wasn't hard. It was just that bolt. You know how bolts can be. One tip I would give for installing these CV drive shaft types is when you take them out, when you put them in, similarly when you take them out, it's easier to take the side off of the transfer case first. And then, so you put the side into the install the axle side first, transfer case goes in last.